Parliamentary panel's shocking recommendation sparks outrage among pensioners. Government urged to increase minimum pension by 6,500 within 3 months or face protests. The parliamentary panel has recommended increasing the minimum pension to boost retirees' income. Pensioners are demanding a hike of 6,500 per month to ensure a decent standard of living. The EPF pension scheme was introduced in 1995 to provide retirement income security for organized sector workers. The current minimum pension is a death sentence for many retirees. It's time for change. A parliamentary panel has called for an urgent revision of the Employees Provident Fund (EPF) pension scheme, urging the government to increase the minimum pension by 6,500 per month. The move aims to provide a decent standard of living for retirees who have been struggling with inadequate pensions. The EPF pension scheme was introduced in 1995 to ensure retirement income security for organized sector workers. However, the current minimum pension of 1,000 has remained unchanged for over a decade. Pensioners' associations have been protesting nationwide, demanding that the government raise the minimum pension to 7,500 per month. They argue that the current pension violates the principle of social security enshrined in Article 41 of the Constitution of India and undermines the right to life with dignity guaranteed by Article 21. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.